Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Julia. Otherwise, welcome back to Makeup with Time with Julia. In today's video guys, as you can tell by the title, is a product that is new to me, but it's not new to you guys. I'm gonna try. Here's what you have here. This is the eyeshadow. I have used it. I don't know what I've done with the video. That was the never mind. We have 20 shades in total. Yeah, like I said, I got it on Black Friday sales. It's £15, then I paid £9 for it. Swatches.
Whoa, whoa, yeah, it's been the reading. Cause it is so. I wanna kiss and touch. Baby, come closer. Let me love you right. I wanna kiss and touch. Baby, come closer. Let me love you right. Give me some bedroom lecture. You know, some bedroom.
I hope you guys are all doing well. Have you done your Christmas shopping? I haven't. As we speak. Okay, I'll just put this sticker here. I've not done any Christmas shopping. I'm not looking. The anxiety to go to town or Trafford Center is just over the roof. Let me prime my eye with this. I'll do this eye on camera. I'll go for blue look today again. I'll do blue. Rotate this all the way. This one is called Trick. Go in with this blue shade right here. I'll try the lighter version of the blue, which is this shade. I'll kind of take this further up and use it to blend. I will take this black shade. The shimmer are really like, oh, I didn't need to do this, but however, I've done it. So it's kind of smoky now, like smoking blue face on my eyelid. I want to apply this shade. Easy to take. I don't think I can run away with this blue right here. This shade. I don't think I can run away with this shade. I don't know what this shade. This one is also easy to take, I guess. I'm gonna apply this just in between. Then the previous shade, which is this very one here. Go back in with the blue. Complete the rest of my face off camera, then I'll come and do bottom lash. Okay guys, we are now finally back. I've not even applied my lashes. Oh my gosh. Alright, I'm just gonna quickly do my bottom lash with you right now. I have applied this very one here on my waterline. I want to do brown now. Put blue here, which is fine. I'm gonna apply this shade. Just don't want to apply blue. Jeez. But this one doesn't seem to be showing. It's not showing because I have applied powder and everything. That's why. I'm gonna apply this shimmer on my bottom lash now. The shimmer I use for my, yeah, that's, but it's gonna fall on my face. I'm gonna be gentle. I just want something different instead of just doing like, I'll try this glue. So I'll apply the blue shimmer. Don't know what shimmer got to do with under eye, but hey. Well, it works. Ooh, it works. I want this shade on my inner corner. Beautiful. Oh wow. I like this. I like this whole random stuff I put together random. That's me done with this eyeshadow palette. To be honest, I don't have the chair, you see, it's going this way. I'll kill this chair. Mascara, W7 mascara. Let me just quickly throw some lashes on. The style I'm gonna use today, it will be Nat. Got Nat in table here. Used it on my last video, so she's still intact, clean. Look at style Nat. Gorgeous, beautiful, available on our website. Then I'll come back and tell you my final thoughts when it comes to this eyeshadow. Has this stuff washed me out again? I hope not. Nah, look, check the camera with me. Do I look wash out? Hey, you do. Jesus Christ. Wow. I can't believe I look wash out all this while without even realizing it. This ring light, and I only have ring light, just one ring light. I don't have anything else. Anyway, now that we've done, what do I think of this palette? How do I feel about this palette? Guys, I think it's great. The quality, you know, the formula, they are absolutely stunning. They are stunning. You know, this is a palette you will continue to see on my channel, guys. You will be seeing this palette. I really like it. Whenever they're doing sales again, a Christmas sales is coming soon now, they might reduce the price again. Just look out for it if you fancy getting something like this. Also, if you have a full price, it's back on £15 now. I paid £9 for it. It's now back to £15 now. A week from today, you will be able to get this, you know, maybe £9 or something for Christmas sales. Look out for this. If you want to pay full price, it's still worth your money anyway. I also tried this about 2 or 3 times. I've tried this now. It's okay. It's just okay. It was very cheap as well. Like I said before, my confidence wasn't that far to try this. My daughter just turned the ring light, you know, off down for me. I was completely washed out. So I don't know what I'm doing wrong with my setting and stuff. So the confidence is not there to try this. I'm going to try it off camera one day. Then I'll tell you guys. Then I can try it with you. At the moment, the confidence is not there to try this. Anyway, guys. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video today. I hope you enjoyed this mini tutorial review slash tutorial. Anyway, for those of you who did not win the giveaway, I just want you to know there will always be more giveaway, you know, just the way it is. Hopefully you will win next time. Okay, guys, and don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you to everyone who entered that giveaway. Thank you for all the love and support you'll be showing. We appreciate you guys, and I hope to see you guys on my very next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Let me wink. I can't wait to save my whole life.